Hey folks, we're out in the backyard today at Power Ridge Homestead. I wanted to give you an idea of what's been going on and some updates on some dahlia pots. And we'll go from there. Thanks. Hope you like the video. Hey guys, thought I'd do a video of the flowers that are in the garden. It's so beautiful out there. Welcome to the video. So this is just an update on the dahlias that I had planted out. You'll notice some of the pots still not coming up. Some of them are doing extremely well. Like, look at the size of these. Isn't that fabulous? So we're just going to wait and see what happens and if we get anything else. This is, look at all of the bees. So we've got some, let's try going this way so we don't get the shadows. Let's start down at this end. These are all orange tiger lilies, ditch lilies, some people call them. We've got some phlox in there that's coming, and look at these, aren't these beautiful? I just love hyacinths, and if you could have smell-o-vision, this would be amazing. So we got tulips are just coming, got daffodils, lots of tulips here. The rose bush is just starting. You can see, should have some, I don't know if I can get them on camera, some leaves starting there. Look at all the colors. Big bumblebees. Oh, all kinds of flowers here. Look at these daffodils. Hyacinths again. Not very many pink ones. Tulips. Irises are coming. Here we have some lavender. Here we've got a little bit of hollyhock. Nothing in the garden here right now. We're going to plant some tomatoes, of course. Over here on the side. Oh, now I can see. That's better. Over here on the side, we've got some poppies coming up. Those are usually first in the spring. A few of those, not many. Some violets in the back there. They're a nice little pretty spring flower too. And this is a Korean lilac, and see all the new buds on it. We just tidied it up a bit this year, so we may not get as many. Show you from this side. We may not get as many buds, but go back all the way. That's as far as I can go, but it's a great big one now. My sister-in-law gave me that. Fantastic. So what we've got in the backyard, we've got some more hyacinths. Here we've got some irises that are coming up. These got transplanted from the front to the back, out of the ditch lilies that were in there. These are leopard lilies. They're so pretty when they come up. Lots of hyacinths. I've got these little tiny yellow. Can you see them? Little tiny yellow daffodils. They're so cute. Lots of bees back here too. I'm not sure what some of this stuff is. I can't remember the names. These are getting ready to come out though. They'll be out in a few days. Rose of Sharon here. And then we've got lilacs here, a couple bushes. Lots of tulips back in the backyard. They didn't make it in the front yard. This one's gonna survive. It does have, I'll show you here, it does have some flowers on it. There we go. There's a flower. So it does have some flowers. It looks like the leaves themselves got a little bit of damage, but it should be okay. This is a butterfly bush. Died over winter, so we'll see if we get some new growth on it. I don't see any yet. This is the first winter for it, so we'll see what happens. I got some hydrangeas. This one's pretty. This one grows from the stem. So this flower you can actually, at this point, break off. And then you get all this new growth down below it. So then each new sprout will then sprout off a flower. So similar to this. See how you get the end? You get these two branches, and then you get the flower. They're great. Those look great in the wintertime. Okay, here we've got some lovage growing. More lavender. It looks like it's coming up. It's got some new growth here. This should also have dill in it, but we do have a black anthill here, so we'll have to wait and see if the dill is going to grow or not. Down in the edge here along this back piece, I don't see any yet, but this is full of hostas. And then we've also got lots of lilies. So there's hostas down in here somewhere, but they haven't started yet. So over here is where the chicken coop used to be, and we took it down last year, and I've left it. We put a tarp over it for the winter time, but I got to do a bit of cleanup. You can see we've got a lot of limestone from where the patio stones were around the edge, so we got to clean that up. We're going to incorporate the tree into the garden, and then I'm going to make it into a shade garden. Lots of flowers if I can, lots of hostas, spring tulips and stuff like that. Hopefully the squirrels won't eat them. That's the problem we have here. Over here is our Cortland apple tree. This is the 4th year. We've had flowers, but we've never had apples. Let's see if we can get a good shot here. Cortlands grow on the edge of the branch, right on the end. So that's a flower there coming out. So we'll have to wait and see if we're actually going to get some flowers this year. I hope so. And then this is our pet cemetery. So we've got some snowballs, we've got lots of grape hyacinths, some lilies again, and Jacob's ladder is what I call it, but I know it's not Jacob's ladder coming up there as well. We had to refix our tent shed. So the storm got it, the last winter storm got it. We have another Cortland tree here, and again, we'll see if we can get anything on these little buds. We put up a new nest box. You might notice that. Let's get a close-up of that. That's the farm mailbox from the front of the house. We wanted to change things up, so we've kept it and made it into a mailbox. Nothing in there yet. Composter needs redoing. We've got to get it turned. We haven't been looking after it much this winter and putting extra stuff into it, so it's all just leaves and garden waste and all that. So we'll see how it goes this year. We'll turn it over. On the side garden here, see what's happening. Not sure if this is going to grow. It got eaten by the rabbits in the winter time. I can't even remember what it was called. I don't think this is the tag. No, that's not the tag. It's some kind of a berry. This one also gets eaten by the rabbits, but I did cover it up this year, so maybe we'll see something from there. In the garden itself, at this end, we have lots of rhubarb coming. Raspberry bushes, blackberry bushes, blueberry bushes. And look at the garden for the garlic. This is great. Lots of garlic coming up. I think I planted 150. I still have lots of garlic left over from last year too. So we'll see. Then we have gooseberry plant. Another gooseberry, I think. Is this a gooseberry? Yep, this is a gooseberry. We got a red gooseberry and a green gooseberry. And we have a red currant over here. They're all doing really well. And then out here, on the edge. I planted the strawberries that I had planted in that 3-layer basket. I actually planted them out into the garden, and you can see majority of them are coming. It's fantastic. This actually has got little flowers on it. Look at that. Is it that one? Yeah, there we go. Look at that. Flowers. So it shouldn't be too much longer. I got to get out here and do some weeding. I started it, but some things get ahead of others. And then one thing here that I was really surprised at was, I can see this. See the purple and the green leaves there? That's Swiss chard. I had no idea that Swiss chard was going to come back at all. Isn't that amazing? Just amazing. There's Cecil sunning himself on the deck. Now, the pawpaw trees. So we're not sure if they're going to come or not. There doesn't look like there's any growth yet. However, the branches are green, so they're not dried. We'll see. Some foxgloves coming. Lots of tulips on this side. The only rooster that I have now is this one. Rosebush climber. Goes quite high. This is the one that grew so much last year. This basket, I don't know if I'm going to do anything with it. Probably plant just some flowers in it. See how it goes. We've got a mum here starting to come. Over there as well. Blanket flowers here. Cecil's Japanese maple survived a year. That's fantastic. I've got another hydrangea here starting to leaf up, so that's good. It's saved. And then here is the dianthesis, so I'm hoping that'll have flowers on it soon. And then we have another rose bush here. Oh, right beside the plum tree. Plum tree is just coming out nice now. Look at all the new leaves on it. They're just sprouting everywhere, aren't they? And then the rose bush going right up into the plum tree. So this is my experiment garden, and look what I got. Can you see it? Look. Asparagus. One there, and then I had one here, and then I had another one somewhere. Oh, there it is. Another one. I think I had 4 spikes coming up all together. So we'll see. See what happens. Over here. Yeah. Over here, not much growing yet. This is chives. So I've got some of them starting. Looks like the mint is coming back, or something's coming back in there. I'm not sure if the thyme is... Oh yeah, there we go. There we go. We got some babies coming. So we've got, that's oregano, and then we have thyme over here. I'll have to see if it comes or not. It looked like it was growing in the winter. We had a really warm spell, and it actually looked like it was growing. Might be coming. I'm not sure. Feels fresh. We'll have to see. Flowers, nasturtiums in this basket. And then I'm not sure what I'm going to put in that basket just yet. Oh, cherry tomatoes. Cecil says cherry tomatoes. And that's the back garden. Thanks for watching, everybody. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great spring.